So, why is working out at home superior in this age of COVID? We'll get into that coming up. You need a gym to get in the best shape of your life. So, why is working out at home better? Well, you don't have to risk exposure mainly. That's a great thing if you're high risk, especially for me. And stay tuned for 5 tips to have the best workout possible at home. So, 5 tips for staying healthy when you work out outside the gym, or don't run in a treadmill, or make sure your workout doesn't exceed regular training in duration or intensity unless you're doing high intensity intervals, and then you can high intensity followed by low intensity or rest. And please, for the love of God, keep it under 60 minutes. I know there's some debate on that, but no one wants to spend their life working out, and of course get plenty of time to rest between workouts. Sleep is way more important than grinding out to workout after workout. I'm guilty of that previously, and my physique suffered, so don't do that. Then you need to properly fuel your body before, during, and after, not just chug a protein shake after. I'm talking about get a high quality meal in before, possibly some amino acids during, in addition to your water and electrolytes. Then you can have a protein shake after, or a high protein meal, and that's way more beneficial than pounding a protein shake. The fifth and final thing is to make sure you take a rest day if you feel sick. I felt sick today, so I took a rest day, and instead of that, I did some yoga because it increases lymph movement, so it carries the cells to the bad stuff to get rid of it.